What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. If you're watching this, you're in for a huge surprise. Today we're going to do a burger cook and challenge Xman Co. right here, right now. We reached our 500 subscriber mark. We are so grateful for each and every one of you watching our content, and we felt let's give a little bit back and entertain you today. So the rules are very straightforward and very easy. 500 grams of patty, 500 grams French fries, and 500 ml of your favorite beer or cold drink. So without further ado, let's start this cook. We've got a beautiful palette of spices here, which I'm going to leave all the quantities for you in the description below. We've also got some condiments here, some cheese, tomato, a few other things amongst bacon. Let's do this. So it's very straightforward. We're going to add all of these spices to our mince. Make sure you get all of that out there. There you go. And then just make sure it's nicely knead. Soon we'll add our 2 eggs. This is about 1.2 kilograms of meat. You need an egg per 500 grams of meat. So we're going to add that as well, just to bind it a little bit. You could add more salt and pepper, obviously, to taste. You could get away without using the eggs if you're not an egg person. There's our first 500 grams. We're going to do our second one. Let's see. 500 on the dot. How's that? Right guys, so we're going to split this in the middle. That will give us 2 patties each. There you go. We're going to do that to all of them, just to get them nice and compact. I would leave it normally in the freezer for about, let's say, 15 minutes or so before I use it, depending if you have the time or not. There you go. But today it's almost like a smash burger, not quite. Just going to press it in there, make sure it's nice and round. It's quite thick, but remember, we're doing this for you guys. It's a challenge today. We're making a few extra burgers today, so we're just going to put that one aside. And we're also doing our bacon on here today. I like to use avocado oil, just a little bit, as the bacon has got its own fat. The avocado oil has got a higher flash point, so I like to use that when I'm on the grill. So what's a burger without some bacon? We're going to add some bacon pieces here. At the same time, I'm also going to add my patties. We're going to create some flames here, because flame grilling is always a thing, eh? And it's very nice. Looks like our bacon is ready. Let's add some flavor there. Some flame grill. Nice thick pieces of cheese. Right guys, I think our burger patties are ready to go. Guys, this is going to be humongous. Beautiful. You ready?
No.
Guys, that time, that moment that we promised you, this is for you guys. Thank you very much for the 500 subscribers that you've helped us to get to this point in our YouTube journey. I don't know how far we're going to get to this. It's not like we do this every day. So if you can see over here, we've got 500 grams of French fries. The patties, the 2 patties on each of our burgers are 500 grams. The rest obviously adds to that. I've chosen a lager.
And 2 red squares.
2 red squares. I think it's a little bit over 500 mils, but hey, who's counting, eh? We've got a little stopwatch here. Not that it matters, but Co promised me she's going to try her very best to eat all of that. And we've got some cheese sauce here. I think we're ready to go. Shall we do that?
Let's do it.
Cool. We're going to start this stopwatch right now and then get straight into it. Is that the correct way to say it, eh?
Yeah.
We're going to start.
Let's dig in.
Let's dig in. Right guys, let's do this. Okay, stopwatch started. Okay, enjoy my baby. I actually don't know where to start.
Good.
Very nice, huh? Cheers to you guys. Chill.
I'm starting to get full now.
I think she's battling. I understand that. You have to push forward, eh? We're in just about 5 minutes. Not doing too bad, I think. I'm glad I'm not doing this for a living. Sure. Oh. Put, Bobby. You too. I have to say these burgers are wow, fantastic. Okay?
It really is
Okay?
nice.
Let's finish
Just way
them.
too much.
One at a time. Guys, this is a point where you're really battling. 12 minutes, 34, 35, 36. Yeah. Kay's complaining she's a bit, what's it called? Nauseous. She hasn't even finished her burger. I'm sure she's going to finish her burger. In appreciation for you guys watching our channel and our content. So, I'm still going to push on. That's just fantastic, beautiful chips. What's wrong, okay?
I can't hear you.
What?
I can't.
You can't do what?
See you guys tomorrow.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish. At this point where I'm now, I don't think I'm going to. But I'm definitely going to try.
Be a team sport.
No. That's against the rules. That's against the rules. Just like try that piece, there you go. Like salt bay, there you go. Yeah. I don't know what to call it, but it's close, eh? I'm really trying my best here. We're on 23 minutes. Got a few flies hanging around here. I think we're taking too long to eat all of this. They're just not as nice as they used to be.
First.
Yeah, like 20 minutes ago.
Tap out, Co. Tap out.
"25 minutes in, Xman is over this. But you know what, for you guys, I'm gonna push forward. Sorry guys, our camera, believe it or not, the battery went dead. I got Co to change it. 35 minutes, 33 seconds. Got a few chips left. I also got most of my second beer. Co, what do you have left there? Just pour the red square for us into your glass.
You're killing me.
Okay, so
That's
Co,
half of my drink.
she's right behind me. She just needs to finish the last little small piece of her burger, most of the chips, and she's done one red square.
1.5.
1.5. I'm really battling. I don't think I'm gonna eat chips for a very long time.
And Co can't finish this. But I'm accepting defeat.
Who are you?
Yeah. The food wins. Oh.
Hey guys, if you like what you're doing,
Like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications.
so you get notified as soon as we upload new video. As always, we'll see you on the next one. Cheers. To your health.
Cheers.